Hello friends, the topic of today's lecture is Operational Feasibility Study. Operational Feasibility Study. Operational Feasibility Study is the measure of how well a proposed system solves the problems and takes advantage of the opportunities identified during scope definition and how it satisfies the requirement identified in the requirements analysis phase of system development. The operational feasibility assessment focuses on the degree to which the proposed development project fits in with the existing business environment and objectives with regard to development schedule, delivery date, corporate culture, and existing business processes. To ensure success, desired operational outcomes must be imparted during design and development. These include such design dependent parameters such as reliability, maintainability, supportability, usability, producibility, disposability, sustainability, and affordability. A system design and development requires appropriate and timely application of engineering and management efforts to meet the previously mentioned parameters. The essential questions that help in testing the operational feasibility of a system includes the following. Does current mode of operation provide adequate throughput and response time? Does current mode provide end users and managers with timely, pertinent, accurate and useful formatted information? Does current mode of operation provide cost effective information services to the business? Could there be a reduction in cost and or an increase in benefits? Does current mode of operation offer effective controls to protect against fraud and to guarantee accuracy and security of data and information? Does current mode of operation make maximum use of available resources including people, time and flow of forms? Does current mode of operation provides reliable services? Are the services flexible and expendable? Are the current work practices and procedures adequate to support the new system? If the system is developed, and will it be used? Manpower problems, labor objections, manager resistances, organizational conflict and policies, social acceptability, government regulations. Does management support the project? Are the users not happy with current business practices? Will it reduce the time considerably? How the users been involved in the planning and development of the project? Will the proposed system really benefit the organization? Does the overall response increases? Will accessibility of information be lost? Will the system affect the customers in considerable way? Legal aspects. How do the end user feel about their role in the new system? What end users or managers may resist or not use the system? How will the working environment of the end user change? Can or will end users and management adapt to the change? Operational feasibility studies are generally utilized to answer the following questions. Processes. How do the end user feel about a new process that may be implemented? Evaluation. Whether or not the process within the organization will work, but also if it can work. Implementation. Stakeholder, manager and end user task. Resistance. Evaluate management, team an individual resistance and how that resistance will be handled. In-house strategies. How will the work environment be affected? How much will it change? Adapt and review. Once change resistance is overcome, explain how the new process will be implemented along with a review process to monitor the process change.